This video explains how to buy shares of Petrolia E&P Holdings Plc, a small oil and gas exploration and production company listed on Euronext under the ticker PSE.OL. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Understand the risks before investing. To buy PSE.OL, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker PSE.OL and look for Petrolia E&P Holdings Plc. Confirm the exchange shows Euronext and select the matching result to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company summary, business sector, and the price chart to review recent movement. Make sure the name, Euronext listing, and ticker PSE.OL all match before proceeding. Tap the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose order type if available, then review fees and details. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, it may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request a deposit before finalizing. After the trade, your Petrolia position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Find the example eToro link in the description below for reference.